Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Share Guru Weekly. So today in this video we are going to discuss with respect to the company Sumitomo Chemical India Limited. So this is the chart of Sumitomo Chemical India Limited and it's a daily chart. So now at the first we are going to discuss with respect to Sumitomo Chemical India on daily charts and that too technically. So here we go. So the company name is Sumitomo Chemical India Limited daily charts, and it has formed a pattern like ascending triangle kind of pattern, and it does the business, the Indian entity does the business of crop protection, biological, plant nutrition, growth regulators, fumigants and rodenticides, farmer safety, household pesticides, animal nutrition, etc. And actually this is the chart of simple in this chart we have kept simple moving averages. If we clearly observe, it has formed a ascending triangle kind of pattern, and once it breaks over and above this 280 to 283, then the immediate targets would be like it should break out with volumes, with comfortable volumes and the two deliverable volumes, and then the targets would be 295, 305, 310, 315, 340, 360, and from there onwards open targets. And this technical view may get negated below 230 rupees on closing basis. Standard disclaimers apply. So here if we see, it has broke out on even on simple moving average 20 moving SMA 20, it is around 275.97 rupees like that, and took support at around 268, which is 50 days moving average like that. And again now we are going into another chart of Sumitomo. Here we have plotted exponential moving averages, and if we clearly observe over here, same here also it has broke out of EMA 20 like that. EMA 20 took support at EMA 50 like that, and 36 EMA this thing. So this is the technical part, and standard disclaimers apply. So here if we see again, if we go into the fundamentals of Sumitomo Chemical India Limited, now in the upcoming there is good monsoon and availability of water have boosted farmer sentiment and resulted in good growth in Rabi season as well as upcoming Kharif season in the domestic markets. And it is a formidable player in the Indian agrochemical space. Merger of Excel Crop Care and unlocking value, it will take place, and it has autonomous board with vast industry experience, and it is having a strong parentage to benefit from strong parentage of SCC Japan, Sumitomo Chemical Corporation Japan, which is a very big company. And Sumitomo Chemical Corporation, if we see the global company, the parent company of the Indian entities, which is Sumitomo Chemical Corporation, it holds more than 12,500 patents, of which 34% are in health and crop science. There is a strong pipeline of agro solutions and environmental health products with business potential of USD 1.4 to 1.8 billion dollars. And with this merger, they are going to inculcate Japanese practices in long-term strategic planning, manufacturing proficiencies, work culture, focusing on teamwork. And one more thing, let me see and explain you this point. Yeah, that's it. And disclosure, another disclosure is we are holding shares in Sumitomo Chemical India Limited, and we may be biased as we are invested in this contest. So people who are all interested to invest in this company may consult their financial advisor before taking any decision with respect to this, and we are not liable for any kind of profit or loss you incur in future. Thanking you. Please do subscribe to our YouTube channel Share Guru Weekly for more interesting updates and companies and more long-term investment like that. Thanking you.